To create a new Prezi, you will click on this button right here that says New Prezi. Once you're on this page, you will type the title of your project, which is Brassica Seed Journal. Under description, you will write your group members' names. And then you'll click right here where it says New Prezi. You are now on the main Prezi page. There is a short presentation if you would like to learn about Prezi, or you can click the X. This is your main page. Up in the top corner are your options of what you can do. We're going to focus on writing, inserting, path, and colors. The first place to start is over here at Colors. You may choose which of these designs you would like. Be sure it's something your readers can see. I'm going to click this blue one today. Now I can click back into the circle. Now I'm going to click on Write. I can click anywhere on my screen to add an idea. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to highlight and delete what's here and type Brassica Seed Journal. Then I click OK. Now I'm going to start entering my information from my observations. I can click anywhere I want on my screen. If I would like to see more of my screen, I can click over here to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to put my first entry right here. All I have to do is double click. I start by entering the date. I hit enter, and now I write my sentence about what I noticed. Once I'm done with my words, I can click anywhere. If I click back on the words, I get this toolbar here. This allows me to spin it. And if I click in the middle bar and hold my mouse, I can make it smaller and bigger. I want it smaller so it fits onto my screen. When I'm done, I can click anywhere. Now I click somewhere else on the screen. Maybe I'll click over here for my second entry. Again, I double click. I type the date, and when I'm done typing, I say OK. I can click on it and make it smaller. I will continue doing that for each of my journal entries. When I'm done with all of my journal entries, I'm going to add my pictures. So we're going to go up to this button where it says Insert. I click Insert, and I'm going to load a file. You're going to use the GPS to find where you saved your file. We saved them in P, Concord, Artinger, Brassica Seed Journal. When you find your picture, you can click on your picture and click Open. When my picture is loaded, I can click on my picture. Again, I can make it smaller and bigger. I can click and drag it to where I would like it to fit. And I can move it. Maybe I want to spin it again. I will continue doing that with all of my pictures. When I have all of my entries in and all of my pictures, I can go to the last section. So I again click over here, and I'm going to click on this button that says Path. This is how you tell your Prezi what to do. So I'm going to click this first button that says Add. I am going to start here. That's where I would like my presentation to begin. Then I want it to go to my first words and my picture. Then I'm going to go to my next entry, and I'll keep doing that in the order that I would like it to go. And when I'm done, I can click back here, and now I'm all done, so I can click back up here, and now I can watch my Prezi by going to Show. You can decide if you would like it full screen or if you would just like it where it's at. And down in the bottom corner, there's a play button. If I keep clicking the button, it will go through my presentation. And when you want to get back to the main screen, just click on your house right here. And you have now completed your first Prezi.